How to connect Bluetooth mouse without USB receiver. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, turn on Bluetooth in your mouse or simply turn on your mouse. After that, in your laptop or your PC, go to Start and then go to Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and Devices. Simply turn on Bluetooth. After that, all your Bluetooth device that are near to you will appear over here in this section. And simply select your mouse, that is a Bluetooth mouse, and make sure it is paired successfully. After pairing, it will now be able to work without any wireless or wired receiver. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.